Hello, today I'm going to be going through some of the jobs that need to be done on the allotment or in the garden for September. So I can't believe how fast this year has gone and we're in September, or nearly in September. So yeah, just some of the jobs that you need to be thinking about and what we're going to be doing in the month of September. So job number one for September is to plant out spring onions that were already sown a few weeks ago, and also to sow more. So sow some more seeds ready to plant out next month. Next job is to harvest all our cucamelons. They're all of a good size now. The leaves are starting to die off, so we're going to harvest all of them and we can eat them. So the next job that we need to be doing this month is strawberries. So the strawberries need to all be sort of trimmed down, tidied up. Our little runners that we've got in pots, we need to cut them off and put them into the greenhouse or polytunnel to keep them protected over the winter. And any runners that we don't want, like literally we've got them going everywhere, they all need to be cut off as well. And then once you've cut it all down, give it a good feed, and then some new growth will start growing through, and then you'll have some nice plants ready for next year. So one of the things you still need to be doing is checking your brassicas for eggs or caterpillars. So you see that caterpillar? I'm going to get that off. I don't like touching them with my hands because I don't know which ones are poisonous, but you want to check all your brassicas, because the cabbage white butterfly, which I don't think that one is, I think they're more speckly, are still laying eggs at this time of year. So if they're not covered, which are these little kale, candy floss kale aren't, you need to still be checking for caterpillars and eggs and remove them. So you can still be sowing a few bits in September. There's not loads, but now's the time to get in your sort of winter lettuce, and also some of the, like this one can be sown all year round. You find ones that sow all year round. You might need to protect them if you've got them outside when you get frosts, but if you grow them in the greenhouse or the polytunnel, they should be fine. There are some spinach as well that you can be sowing now. You can sow it now right at the beginning of September for like baby leaf. You also need to be sowing your spring cabbages. We sow them in pots and then leave them in the greenhouse and then plant them out. If you have already started off your spring cabbages, then you could be planting them out now. Also in September, you may already have dug up some of your potatoes, but now is when they're all going to be, obviously it depends when you sowed them. We did ours sort of Easter time, so they're now starting to look like that. And we cut all the tops off a little while ago to stop blight, and as you can see they're quite big, and we're going to start digging them up and storing them in Mum and Dad's garage. So you need to start thinking about your spring bulbs, because they'll need going in, ducking under the tree, they'll need putting in sort of September, October. Think about what you want to grow. We normally do daffodils, tulips, ranunculus, crocuses. Can't think of any more. But what the spring bulbs do is they create obviously the flowers early in the year for all the pollinators, so they're a good thing to get in down at the allotment plot to encourage pollinators. We just try putting them in pots most of the time, but sometimes we put them in the ground as well, and obviously put them in our garden. So another job you need to make sure that you keep doing through September is feeding your tomatoes, if you've still got some. We've lost all of ours to blight, but some people still have them. And also your peppers, your chilies, just to help them ripen. So I've just got some of this tomato feed. that I'm just going to put on the peppers, and I can never work out how to use this. So I'm just going to give these a good feed. So as you can see, we've got lots of nice big peppers on there. We just want them now to turn red. And these red chilies, I've been taking them home to Craig. He had some this morning, he said they're quite hot. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It's given you a bit of some ideas and things that you need to be getting on with in September. If there's anything else that you'll be doing that I didn't list here, then let me know in the comments below, because it might be something I've forgotten and I need to do as well. And I'll see you all in the next video.